Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve exercise 5.4. First question is observe the pattern. Pattern given. First part pattern given here. Observe the pattern of shapes of letter formed from line segment of equal length. If n shape of letter are formed, like the first shape, second, third, fourth and up to n. So n shapes of letter are formed, then write the algebraic expression. That means first shape में 3 line segment. Question first part, shape like this. So in first shape 3 line segment used, 1, 2, 3. In second shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line segment. And in third shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 line segment given. But for n shape, write algebraic expression for nth shape. So first, number of shapes formed. Number of shapes formed and number of line segment. Number of line segments required. Means in first shape 3 line segment required. In the second shape 5 line segments required. In third shape 7 line segments required. So for nth shape, write general algebraic expression. So first watch 3, 5 and 7. Difference of line segment is 2. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So algebraic expression for nth shape. N is natural number, so 2n plus 1 here. Now आप इसको n इक्वल टू 1, n इक्वल टू 2, n इक्वल टू 3 आप 1 बाय 1 पुट करके देखो, ये सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. डिफरेंस 2 है, दैट्स वाई 2n प्लस 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 यहाँ पर जो भी होगा सेटिस्फाई करो आप यहाँ पर. सो 2 इंटू 1 2 प्लस 1 इज 3 सेटिस्फाइड. पुट n इक्वल टू 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5, satisfied. N equal to 3. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, satisfied. So for general algebraic expression 2n plus 1 for this shape. And for second shape, figure like this. And here given 5 line segment required, 8 line segment required and 11 line segment required. So make same table, number of shaped formed first, second and third, and number of line segment required. For first line segment required 5, for second line segment required for 8, and for third figure line segment required 11. So first watch difference between the line segment. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11. So 3 difference. So algebraic expression for nth shape. So difference 3 का है 3n plus 2. आप इसको सेटिस्फाई करो. आप n equal to 1 पुट करो. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. Yes, satisfied. When n equal to 2, 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. Yes, satisfied. Put n equal to 3. So 3 into 3 9. 9 plus 2 11. Yes, satisfied. For algebraic expression 3n plus 2 मीन्स आपको प्लस 2 करना है, प्लस 1 प्लस 2, ये आपको सेटिस्फाई करके देखना है इक्वेशन. बट जितना भी डिफरेंस है, आप जैसे 2 का डिफरेंस है 2n, 3 इज डिफरेंस 3n. Like next question, second same pattern given. Second question, first part, like 4 shape, mathematical shape 4, like this. So given here line segment 4, 7 and 10. 4, 7 and 10. Same, make table like this. Number of shaped formed and number of line segment required. So for first shape, line segment required 4. For second shape, line segment required 7. For third shape, line segment required 10. So for nth shape, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9 up to nth. So for algebraic expression, difference 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. So difference is 3n plus 1. अब इसको सेटिस्फाई करके देखो up to 3 at least. n equal to 1, put n equal to 1, 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4, yes, satisfied. Put n equal to 2, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, satisfied. Now put 3, so 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, satisfied. So for nth shape this expression satisfies, 3n plus 1. Now third question, first part, 2n plus 1. Question is, if the pattern consists of an shape formed by line segment of equal length. For nth shape, algebraic expression already given. So then find the number of line segment required to form 5th shape, 10th shape and 100th shape. That means put n equal to 5, n equal to 5. 2 into 5, 2 into 5 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. Now in the same expression put n equal to 10. So 2 into 10 plus 1, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. For same expression put x equal to 100. So 2 into 100 plus 1. 2 into 100, 200 plus 1, 200. One very easy question. For second part, same question, 3n plus 1. Algebraic expression given for nth shape. Now find the line segment for 5th shape, for 10th shape and for the 100th shape. So put n equal to 5. 3 into 5 plus 1. 15 plus 1, 16. Now put x equal to 10. For 10th shape, find the line segment. So 3 into 10 plus 1. 30 plus 1, 31. Now put x equal to 100. So 3 into 100 plus 1. 300 plus 1, 301. And next part is same as first and second. One by one put in place of n 5, 10 and 100. Same 4th, 5th and 6th. Same part. So try this question. Thank you.